Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Oneplus battery drain too fast issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now here, first of all turn off auto brightness and then adjust your brightness, and after that scroll down and here click on auto screen off. Now choose 15 seconds in auto screen off, and then if you like, so I would prefer to use dark mode, but if you don't like dark mode then you can use light mode. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on additional settings. Now here scroll down to the end and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now here click on reset all settings and enter your lock screen passcode. After that again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after doing this, I hope it will fix your problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.